আর সবাই শুনেছে এক দক্ষিণ ভারতীয় মেয়ে মানে শাড়ি পরে নাইট ক্লাবে গান করছে। So, it was out of curiosity
হুম, হুম,
that people really called me
হুম।
wherever I was. So when I look back, that's why I say the changes are all cosmetic. তখনকার দিন এখন।
এখনকার দিনে।
Yeah, it's totally different. Kintu, if you go to Trinkas now at Park Street, then I always say when I go to Trinkas, I always say there are only two things left of the old world
হুম,
in
কি, কি?
in Trinkas. One is a chandelier
আচ্ছা।
and one is Usha. We're the oldest people over there. So, the things that have changed around you, like all the fantastic building, the cars, the clothes that people wear, everything is different. And so it's been a wonderful journey for me. আমার কোনো এরকম নেই এত স্ট্রাগল করেছি এত, it's not that.